Val here. Today I'm gonna be, sorry about that, I was trying to say one. So as you can see, this is the first look. It's not letting me say one. This is the first outfit for Arctic Wolves. I'll show you the second outfit now. This is a Halloween decoration one. So you need either a yellow or a red flower crown. And I have a yellow, or I don't know, but I have a flower crown. Here's our flower crown. You take this, go on your back. You don't put this on, but you put this on. It's a great Halloween look. So this is number 2. It doesn't let you say 2. So 2. Okay, next look is like, I don't know. Okay, so I figured out it was this color. And then you bring like this. And then this. Wait, it's the other way around. This. And then you go into tails. You click on the rainbow tail. Wait, not that one. Okay, you click on if you have a bone tail, rare, or any kind. It's a great look, I think. It might not look the same because, yeah, not that. This. So that's all for today. So like, subscribe, and bye guys.